I'm keeping my spine neutral. Driving up.
Kettlebell Ken is going to show me how to do a kettlebell deadlift. If you're a beginner, this is a great option if you can't do normal barbell deadlifts.
And I like it too because you're kind of over the kettlebell more directly, so it's more center mass.
And we're going to demonstrate that in just 1 second. So one of the things I did want to know before we start the video, and Ken can kind of point out some things that he notices, is that when most people start with a normal barbell deadlift, it's kind of tricky because since that barbell or object is in front of you, it takes a lot of balance when you're going down, and I've worked with a lot of people who've kind of tumbled over. It's really tough on your balance, even though it doesn't seem like it. That's where implementing a kettlebell deadlift and not using the barbell right away might be a better option if you're feeling a little uncomfortable.
It teaches you the movement and to get familiar with the weight, how it feels. So, and what I do too, I'll take my shoes off so I have a closer to the ground, and there's less, you know, with running shoes, you get a little bit of a rocking in there. So it's just my preference. I take mine off. So I'm gonna get over the weight. I'm gonna grab it. I'm keeping my spine neutral. I'm driving up, all right? And what I do is I'm gonna exhale as I come up, all right? I'm gonna breathe in as I go down.
And you mean you're breathing like into your abdominals to like create more stability through your spine and core.
And there is another version, that Sumo style. Technically, you get a wider stance, but it's different mechanics. Some people are more comfortable like this. For me, being tall, it just seems like it's very awkward.
This will work a little more of your inner thigh or adductor strength compared to the first one. Honestly, both of those are great options, especially when you're first starting out. Do you want to coach me through the movement? I kind of got the hang of this, but I'll show them from a side angle to give them a different perspective. I'm stepping, I'm basically right over the barbell or kettlebell. And then I'm going to bend down and right here, and then trying to keep neutral. If you look from the side, my neck, upper back, and lower back, they're all in a straight line. And then breathing in, standing up. And then another thing you can note too is when you're doing this, you really want to squeeze your butt when you're coming up and making sure you're standing as tall as you can at the top of the movement. That makes sure that you are doing the movement in its entirety and working all of the muscles in your posterior chain.